Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Saravana Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNSD Spine, SNS Institutions. So today we are going to discuss about important topic, objectives of human resource management. So last class we had discussed about what do you mean by human resource management, what are the functions of human resource management. So today we are going to discuss about objectives of human resource management. So there are four objectives in that HRM. What are they means? Societal objectives, organizational objectives, functional objectives, personal objective. So there are four objectives. So we will see one by one. Societal objectives related to that legal compliance, benefits, union management relations. So legal compliances is related to that statutory compliances like ESI, PF, employee state insurance and provident fund, like that. Organizational objectives, it's nothing but manpower planning, that is a human resource planning, employee relations, selection, training and development, appraisal. So what do you mean by appraisal? Performance appraisal, to test the job performance in that particular job. Next, functional objectives. So related to the functions like that, appraisal, placement and assessment. Then finally we are having the personal objective, training and development, appraisal, placement, compensation and assessment. So now we are going to discuss about roles of HR managers. So what are the roles? So everyone know about the HR manager is a one position in that organization, but they are having different roles. So what are the roles? First, every organization as a HR, you are going to frame the HR policies and practices, because depends upon the HR policy only the organization will run. So policy formulation, and also they are having important role on advisory role. As an employee, I mean that employer-employee or employee-employee, we are having any problem or any grievances, so as a HR only to solve the problem immediately. Administrative expert. So in every organization, not only their responsibility to HR, they have to consider administration also. Then counselor, we are going to counsel that employee, and also HR responsibility is A to Z, entry to exit. As an employee, they are entering into the organization and exit from the organization. The responsible person to handle that HR. Then he is a legal consultant. He knows the Factories Act 1948 and also Maternity Benefit Act, Minimum Wages Act. So these are acts that as a HR they have to understand and well know. Then recruiter and hiring, it's a very important, because what do you mean by recruitment? In that last session also we had discussed. Recruitment is nothing but selecting a right person for the right job at a right place at a right time, because recruiting and hiring is a very important for every organization. After the recruiting, very important, training and development. In every organization they are going to conduct two types of training, on the job training as well as off the job training. On the job training is nothing but the practical training. You're going to the organization, you can observe like apprenticeship. Off the job training like case studies, lectures, demos and everything is covered under that off the job. I mean simulation, conferences, everything. Then housekeeper, because HR responsibility as well as the administration as well as HR, so everything as a housekeeper to monitor all the activities in that organization also. Then employee champion, very important as a HR to motivate the employees in two ways, monetary as well as non-monetary. Monetary in the sense it's related to the cash, it's related to the money, so increment, incentive, so these are the things. Non-monetary is nothing but rewards and recognition. We are going to recognize the employee. For example, every month, star of the employee, like that, we are going to frame that to motivate the employees. Next, we are going to discuss about computer applications in human resource management. Because now every organization, they are having that computer application only. They have to monitor. You enter into the organization to exit. So everything it will be monitored. The term is called employee engagement. So applicant tracking systems, training and succession planning, performance management, employee self-service, reporting and analytics, employee payroll, benefits administration, time and attendance. So these are the things we are discussing that computer applications in human resource management. So next session we are going to discuss in depth in computer application HR. Thank you all.